What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. As you know already, in this channel you can find a lot of information about how I trade and some concepts about smart money, which are some concepts that I have inside of my strategy. Now, as I said already in many other videos or on my Instagram, if you follow me already, and if you don't, make sure to go follow me for also daily tips and to actually follow what I'm doing and my entries and my trades and so on. As I say many times, smart money is a great tool. It has some great concepts, but in my opinion, it is not something that makes you profitable. As you know, right now, it is very, very popular. A lot of traders are using smart money, including myself, keep in mind. But still, the 90%, so the majority, 90% of traders, or maybe also 95% of traders, are still losing money, as I say many, many times. And you might wonder why. Why everyone thinks that smart money makes a person profitable, but they still lose money. The reason why is because a system with an edge on the market is missing. Smart money has great concepts. They can be applied, they make you understand how the market moves. But if you don't have a system that is proven to work over time and is proven to give you that extra edge in the market, then it is not enough to actually be profitable. Of course, mindset and psychology plays a huge role, and you might argue that 90% of traders also lose because of that, and I agree that it plays a role inside of the overall 90% of traders, but this is not the only thing. Keep in mind that smart money needs to be contextualized inside of your strategy. With that being said, I hope that you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe, because I will drop 1 or 2 free videos with free education here on my YouTube every single week. And if you want to join my course for some extra education and to actually learn how I trade and to follow my setups and my entries, then the links are here below. I'll see you in the video.
Hi guys, this is Abby from Forex XL. Today we will be discussing key levels and how to enter in sniper trades. So let's get started. So for you to get the key levels is that number 1 is you will see a significant move is either if it's either in a downtrend or in an uptrend. So just like this one, this has break this structure here and have this break, and the candles are really strong to push it to the downside. So I wanna see a bearish momentum on this supply zone here in 1 hour. So here's the notes that I'm checking if I wanted to check or retest the supply area. So number 1 is know what has happened in higher time frame. So as you can see in our example, it has broke this structure. So we want to see if it will like continue to the downside, because as you can see here, trend is in uptrend, like high, right? The price have this massive move to the upside and break this structure here, and then it has corrected. After that, it pushed to the upside again and break this structure. Okay, so we want to see, so like this one, for example, this is a demand zone right here. So it was reacted and then push it to the upside. But as you notice here, the market is changing its or shifting its structure from bullish to bearish structure. So we want to see if it will continue to the downside. So number one, since it's in higher time frame, what happened is it broke the structure, so it is a bearish trend. Because when you try to um go to the go to the lower time frame, this swing right here is an indication that price might be on a reversal. So bearish. So number two, our bias is sell or short. So since we have defined our bias, we wanna see the lower time frame to be in sync on our lower time frame, which is bearish. So we wanna see a bearish trend in 1 minute or 3 minute time frame. So that's our key areas or key notes that we could take a trade. So sometimes if we have defined this our POI, sometimes price, is not respecting this one. So we want to see how the price action really take this supply area here as, or how it holds the price and goes down. So let's go back to the 1 hour. So price is, as you can see, is consolidating. And so notice this one, it broke this structure, right? But the move is not like this, right? The candles, as you can see, the candles are so in bearish move. Unlike these candles is not that strong push to the upside. So I don't wanna take this as an indication for a buy, because sometimes market is like creating a liquidity. Remember on our previous videos, we also tackle imbalance. So as you can see here, there's a lot of imbalance left. So it might go, the price might go here and push towards the upside. So it was has break this one, but the imbalance is still here. So maybe price or the market is building up a liquidity above here, and when you like sell here, it will get your stop losses and take out on the trade. So as you can see, this was a liquidity grab. Okay. And then because since you defined that you are in a bearish move, some sellers are putting their trades here and stop loss above this one. So okay, so the price, let's go. Okay. So price returned or come back on our supply zone. So we wanna see because I see liquidity here, this candle right here and above this one. So we want to see if the buy side liquidity will be taken out. Okay, so this one has this move to the upside, and the buy side area has been taken out on the trade. So we want to see bearish move on the lower time frame. So this one right here has a break of structure. So as you can see also, when you try to check the lower time frame, liquidity is building up. It's either on below or above the range. So you can set your short position in this area and stop loss right on that one. And as I wanted to place my take profit, I wanted to place it on the area where the liquidity resides. So for me, this area right here, or maybe I'm thinking on this one because there's a lot of, this is an equal low for me. So maybe price will go right here, but I could take partials on this area right here, like take profit 1 and take profit 2. Okay, so let's see if, okay, the price came back on our POI. So as you can see, okay, I'm on a 3-minute time frame right here. So as you can see right here, price did again a liquidity or buy side liquidity, and when the London session started, it grabbed the liquidity and push to the downside and break some structures on the lower time frame. Okay, so okay, so let's see it in 15 minutes. Okay, so take profit 1 has been taken, right? So as you can see here, price didn't go on our take profit 2, but at least we have a sniper trade. As you can see on our lower time frame, we entered on the price where the market is in sync on our bearish bias. So it did a liquidity, or there's a liquidity right here. So let's see if the market will go on our take profit 2. But if you are a trader to wanted to trail your stop, you can do that as well. So it didn't go here, but instead it pushes to the upside. Okay. Go back. Okay, as you can see, it didn't go to our TP, but TP number 2, but we have this right here. Okay, that sniped our entry. So you can practice this one or backtest this one because it is important to know your key levels and check your confirmations at lower time frame because you don't want to trade key level alone or lower time frame alone because you don't have any confirmation on that. So it's always better to have a confirmation trade and um less aggressive on the trades. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.